You know what? I really cannot sugarcoat this anymore. I have to tell you everything as is. You've actually been playing the money game wrong all this time. See, all your life, you've actually been taught to work really hard for money, get a great job, grow your business, and whatnot. Now answer this to me very honestly. Is it giving you the result that you wanted? Or actually, you know what? Scratch that. Is it giving you the result you deserve? You've been playing the money game wrong all this time. You've actually been working too hard, getting the right job, doing the right business, growing the business is just one dimension of playing the money game. Well, the other game with the other dimension, you haven't been using it to your benefit at all. Now, all the people today that I see are running after money only to accumulate money and not do anything right with it. The intention is only to hoard money but not manage it. And the people who are managing do not even know how to manage it right. See, if your money is not making money for you, there is no point of accumulating that wealth. You might as well live hands to mouth. If the money starts working for you, is when you actually start the other dimension working for you in a way that your dependence on the first dimension, which is your business, that is your job, you're moving away from that. That is the life in where both the dimensions are working for you to help you make more money, and that is exactly how you can start creating a life where you do what you want to do, where the money is not a problem, money flows to you. You're not working day and night working after money, because it kills me to see people having to bend backwards and earn money day and night, compromising on the things that they like, the things that they love. This is not done. This is not acceptable. We need to create a system in which your money starts working for you in such a way that it decreases your dependence on your job, on your business. That is the life. That is the way of how you really should be playing the money game. If you are wanting to learn any more about this whole concept, I've actually created a half-day seminar just to educate people on how they can start taking the first steps towards creating that life where money works to them, works for them, the money flows to them day by day. The program is called Mission Financial Nirvana. It is an enlightening half-day seminar which opens up your eyes towards a whole new possibility about money. It actually tells you the mistakes that you've been doing with money, and this is the first step that you need to take to live a life free of money worries. If you're able to relate to any of the single word that I've said, I want to see you in the seminar. Now here are the details. Please click on the link below and make sure I see you there.